welcome to this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, you're going to be learning how to get rid of acne through your diet. That's what you eat. And I'm going to be showing you what you can eat to get rid of acne and what you should avoid if you're acne prone or if you want to treat your acne. I'm also going to be showing you over-the-counter products that you can buy to help you get rid of your acne faster. Then I'm going to be showing you in this same video lifestyle habits that are going to help you treat your acne. Things that you should be doing that's going to not only help you treat acne, but it's also going to help you avoid acne from coming back. So if you're ready for all of this, then stick with me on this video and watch to the end of this video because every part of this video is very useful. Also, if you missed my last video where I shared tips that totally changed my skincare game, I shared 5 tips actually that really helped my skin improve drastically. Go and watch that video. It's going to be very helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe before the end of this video. You can even do it right now. So that you don't forget. Turn on the notification bell also so that you get notified each time I make new videos. Now that all of that is said, now that I've gotten all of that out, let's begin this video. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all of the science talk of what acne is, the scientific name, and all of that. So we're just going to dive right into how to treat acne. If you want me to make a video explaining more about acne, the causes, and all of that, you can let me know in the comments and I'll make a whole video for that. But this video is about how to treat acne. Now, I'm going to start with diet. How to treat acne through your diet, because we all love food, right? Everyone, even if you don't like food, you need food to survive. You will not be surviving this far if you are not eating some food. So let's start with food. Several studies have shown that there are some certain foods that you should be eating to help you treat acne, and there are certain foods that you should avoid eating to help you also treat acne. Now, foods that are rich in zinc, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids are foods that you should be eating and eating a good amount. And you should be eating and eating in a good amount. Now, don't go overeating on those because too much of everything is bad. But make sure that your diet consists of these things, and I'm going to say them again so you can grab them. Now, there are zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Now, look for foods that contain these and be eating them a lot. Now, foods that you should avoid, there are foods that are high in sugar. There are foods that can increase your blood sugar really fast. Usually these are sugary foods that increase your blood sugar really fast. Now, when your blood sugar increases really fast, a hormone called insulin is released in your body. Now, too much of insulin in your body can make your skin produce excess oil. Now, that excess oil is called sebum. Sebum is not a bad thing, but when it becomes too much, then it becomes bad because it starts to clog your pores, and clogged pores can definitely cause you acne. So avoid foods that can raise your blood sugar really fast. I'm not going to be particularly naming out the foods because I expect you to do your personal research, and also personal preference matters too. So just find out foods that contain all of those things that I said, and also cut down on foods that contains all of those things that I said can contribute to causing you more acne. So let's move to the next segment. 10 lifestyle habits that can help you treat acne are. So now we're going to the products that you can buy for your acne that will help you with your acne, that will clear your acne and that will treat it. Are you ready? Okay, the first product is benzoyl peroxide. The reason why benzoyl peroxide is used as an acne treatment is because it dries out the acne as well as it kills the acne causing bacteria, so you won't be getting the acne back, or the chances of you getting the acne back is greatly reduced. The current acne you have will dry off and will just fade away like it never happened. No new acne will come. So benzoyl peroxide, I love. And the next ingredient that you should be looking for your acne is salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid has two functions. It works as an exfoliant. As an exfoliant, it can exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells. Then it also works as an anti-acne treatment, where it can help you treat the acne by unclogging your pores. The third ingredient that you should be using if you have acne is sulfur. Sulfur removes dead skin cells that clog the skin, and it also helps in excess oil control. So if you have oily skin and you want to control the amount of oil that your skin produces, you should be using sulfur. Now, sulfur usually works with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. You can find it in the products where it's sulfur and salicylic, or benzoyl peroxide or salicylic. You can also find products that only have sulfur, and if you want to mix them up, you can do that, but just make sure you're not overdoing it and you're giving your skin time to build its tolerance, so that you don't end up with a negative effect or a negative result that due to your skin's inability to handle all of those products at the same time. Now, other products you can try for acne is. Now, another tip that I can give you for acne is not to rely on one product or one ingredient. You can use salicylic acid in the morning, and you can use a benzoyl peroxide in the night. You can use azelaic acid, you can use sulfur. Just mix them up so that you get, especially if you want to treat your acne really fast. Do not start all of them at the same time. Use one and then introduce another. See how it works. Give it some time. See how your skin reacts to it. Then you can throw in the third. Do not use all of them in the same routine. You heard what I said. I said use one in the morning, use another in the night. So when you pack pile on products on your skin, you only waste your product. Your skin won't take all. So use only the important ones. Use in fewer quantities. Use less product and use less product. I always suggest people to pick quality over quantity. If you're using 3 or 4 really good products, I think you're going to end up with an amazing skin. And this is a skincare trade secret, because a lot of brands bringing out products every year, they want you to buy. They are never going to tell you this, but the truth is that you only need so many products. You don't need all of those products. You don't need to have all of the new products. You don't need to have the latest. You don't need to have all of the products. You don't need to have so many products. You can have a good skincare. You can have a healthy skin with just few products, and that's what I always recommend. And this is also helpful because it will help you to be able to pinpoint if your skin starts to react, or if your skin starts breaking out or reacting. You will be able to pinpoint what is the cause. But if you are using so many products, you will not be able to tell which products caused you to break out, or which product your skin is reacting to, which product your skin doesn't like. So that's all of my tips for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please click on the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Let me know in the comments also acne products that work for you. Let me know in the comments acne products. Let me know in the comments acne products that did not work for you, because I know from personal experience that there are a lot of products. There are a lot of acne products that do not work. So tell me which ones you fallen victim to that did absolutely nothing for you. I love to see comments like that, trust me. So let me know in the comments products that didn't work for you. Let me know in the comments videos that you like me to make for you, and let me know, just interact with me, just interact in the comment section. Someone else is going to benefit from, someone else can benefit from your comments, someone else can learn from your comments. So just be open and interact in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video with people that you want to benefit from this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry that it ran so long. I don't know, I will try to edit most of it, but I do not know how long it's going to run for. If it's an extremely long video, trust me, it is worth the while.